and welcome to my channel. My name is Laura and I'm just finishing up getting ready to leave. My family is gonna go on a trip to, yes, we are, to Carlsbad, California. We have an RV and we rented a spot. We reserved a spot at a campsite down by the beach, and my family of 5 plus our dog, we're bringing our dog with us as well, is going to stay. Oh, everyone has a lot to say today. But we're gonna stay down there for a weekend. Hopefully we can go to the beach, we can go to the Carlsbad Flower Fields. I don't really have any plans, hoping that the weather holds out and it's a nice weekend. It looks like it's gonna rain, so we're kind of gonna play it by ear. And we'll see what happens over the weekend and take you along on our little adventures in our RV in Carlsbad, California. So anyway, we need to head on out, get down the road. We got a couple hours, we got to drive to get there. But before you leave, if you're, I would love if you gave this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing. If you're not sure if you want to subscribe, I'll link a couple recent videos down below. You can kind of see if you're vibing with us and come along with more adventures of the life of the Troxels.
You wanna do it? Here, Maddie. You gotta do it right here. Number 7. Yay! The playground. Now we gotta do Brooklyn's. You wanna do Brooklyn's for her? Same place right here, number 7. Do it again.
There's pain in the struggle, and there's beauty in the pain. So if love is a struggle, I guess there's beauty in everything. There's peace in a heartbreak, and there's fire in the rain. So if anything is love, baby,
Hey, Brooklyn, sit! Oh! Gotta dry off the chairs and the benches and the slides. Cheese!
Hi. There's Summer in the stroller. Look at all the flowers. It's raining. Brooklyn, Brooklyn, look at me. Are you smiling? Ah, look at your wet hair. Maddie.
Taking a bath.
Want some shampoo? Some soap?
So I didn't know much about the flower fields other than that they were just so beautiful and right down the street from where we were staying. And yeah, it did end up raining, but we were prepared. We brought our umbrella and our raincoats, and it really didn't interfere with the experience that much, other than we couldn't take, you know, those flowy dresses photos that I'm sure you see when you look them up on like Instagram and TikTok. But it was a fun experience for the girls. The rain would come and go, and there were different little activities they could do, like this little maze, and then they had a little fairy garden and a playground and a little scavenger hunt. So very family friendly, definitely worth the cost of admission. And we spent almost the entire day just wandering around and seeing all the beautiful flowers. So even though it was raining, we still had a great time. And you know, sometimes the rain just adds to the adventure.
Okay, now you're recording. Here, get Mama and Dada in it. Are you in it? Hold it there for a little bit. Hold it up to Mama's face. Get Mama's face in there. There we go.
It's heavy.
Just let it rain on me. Let it rain on me. Just let it rain on me. Let it rain on me. Just let it rain on me. Let it rain down.
And the last thing we did as their prize for completing the scavenger hunt was get to pan for some gems in the little boxes here.
Just like you hold a cup. There we go. Real tight. Right over here. Real tight. There we go. Okay.
Rock the baby. The kids start doing this and I start rocking.
Yeah, right. It's almost like instinct now.
Sand going down through the. Do you see some of them? Okay, 1, 2, 3. Up. There we go. And turn around for you. You let go now? There we go. There we go. We got the rhodonite from Zimbabwe. Can you see that? That's going to make you strong. Your muscles are going to be strong. The Dalmatian. That's going to make you loyal. That's the abbreviated white jasper, makes you clear-minded. The jade gives you money. You got the yellow jasper, makes you healthy. And you got the coral, and you got another jade right there.
Yeah, you're pumping water now.
Wind's helping you.
So luckily, or I guess unluckily, the worst part of the rain was while we were at the flower fields. But that night we went to a place called Best Pizza and Beer. Literally, that's the name. But they had really good pizza. And then this place was called Bread and Cheese and Breakfast Burritos. And we got this in the morning before we headed off to the beach.
Sometimes I want to pack up all my things and move away. Paris, London, maybe even LA. But it's not far enough, far enough, far enough for me.
Carlsbad Beach Day, South Ponto Beach. She does not like castles. Destroys them so quick. Oh, Maddie.
I gotta make it again. Do it. Underhand. Maddie, underhand.
Yeah, it gets kinda tough, kinda tough, kinda tough for me. So I'll go to outer space where nothing knows my name. There's gotta be life in some other galaxy. I'll find them and you'll see how good they'll be to me. 'Cause on Block 361, they wouldn't break my heart.
What are you girls doing?
We're watching the game.
The game Mom and Dada is playing? Brooklyn, you want to put your glasses on? No, you don't like them? Maddie, you want to put your glasses on?
Remember when I was in the game? This is the bag that I bought.
your eyes real quick. You don't want to close them? Okay.
Maybe I'm being just a little bit too harsh. But some days I just find it too hard. Too hard. I just can't deal with them, deal with them, deal with them. Sometimes I just get too annoyed, too annoyed, too annoyed. Sometimes. So I'll go to outer space.
Summer's at the beach. They're everywhere. Oh my gosh, it's so close. They're so close. Here, come on back. If you've made it this far into the video, comment the waves emoji down below. And I just want to give a sincere thank you for watching. And I hope you enjoy the video and the sunset.
Maybe they break my bones, maybe they turn me into stone, but maybe I'd find a new home, and maybe I'd never be alone.